Today's video blog goes out to enterprises who employ large numbers of independent agents. And so what I'm talking about particularly is healthcare, insurance, financial services, potentially even the travel industry. It's very important to make a distinction because if you are an enterprise and if you're using your IT to provide private cloud or extend private cloud services to these independent agent networks, there might be some income opportunities in IT that you're sleeping on. Now, when you dispense the private cloud, the first things that go, of course, are provisioning of services and, of course, the IT support that backs those services up. But if you look at the delivery of services from the standpoint of the individual agent who perhaps has a small agency or works out of his or her home, there are some different needs that the enterprise could also be addressing and could capitalize at the same time by gaining more revenue through IT. Here it is. You're an independent agent. You have a failure with your server or your computer or your network. What happens? Well, locally you probably pick up the phone and dial an IT service organization who comes out and at about $100 an hour repairs or addresses the problem. What if that person instead can call Enterprise IT and get remote internet-based troubleshooting and support that has the capability of resolving upwards of 80% of these problems? Well, it's a win-win for the agent and also for the enterprise. Also, the agent has the peace of mind that the IT worker in the enterprise has an exact understanding of the business that the agent is in and also the urgency of the need. Anyway, it's something to consider. Why? Because companies, large enterprises who rely on independent agent networks, sometimes upwards of hundreds of thousands of agents, also depend on these agents to deliver in the revenue streams. So why not set yourself up with a differentiating service, localized IT support, remotely provided over the internet that can make a difference for your enterprise in procuring the best agents available. It's a win-win for everybody, and it's also an opportunity to improve the revenue base with the best available talent.